Alright, what is up creators? So in this quick video, I'm going to be breaking down this video here, which is currently sitting at 5.4 million views on Instagram and 627,000 views on TikTok. And we're going to cover what I believe helped it go viral, and hopefully you can implement some of these teachings into your content so that you can replicate these results. So firstly, I'm going to play the video so you can get some context of what's going on. Alright, so as we can see, it's a short video sitting at only 8 seconds, and these more shorter videos help with your watch times because on social media, it's a lot easier to watch a full 8-second video rather than a 60-second video. And if it's a fast moving video like this one, where we can see in just 8 seconds, I've changed the scene 3 times, plus there is text and arrows popping up to help increase the engagement, and this can help with people re-watching the video a few times, which then triggers the algorithm to push it out to more people. And as we can see in the analytics on Instagram, the majority of these views were from people outside of my following. But now, I personally knew this video would perform quite well because I actually got the idea from seeing other creators within my niche of photography and filmmaking post a similar style video where instead of showcasing how your aperture affects your photos, they were showcasing how using different lenses can affect your photos. So a pro tip to consider when trying to find viral content ideas is looking at viral videos that other creators within your niche are posting and seeing if you can create something similar but around a slightly different topic or with your own unique touch added to it. Another thing that I helped believe this video go viral was the song selection, because in my opinion I felt that it fit the video perfectly, and I ensured that the beat drop occurred as soon as the meat of the video was displayed. And a common mistake I see creators make is they start the video at the climax of the song, when in reality it's best to have 1 to 3 seconds where the song builds up, and then around the 4 to 5 second mark the beat drops, and then the best part of the video is displayed. On top of that, the song was trending at the time of posting this video, so that can always help push your video out to new audiences. But now, in regards to the shooting setup for this, these 3 scenes here were shot entirely on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I just got my friend to film me. And then the photos here were shot on my Sony a7 IV camera. In terms of hashtags, I just went for super broad keywords that are relevant to the video and my target audience, and I personally like to stick to 6 to 8 hashtags per video. When it comes to hashtags, you don't need to overthink them and just look at them as a way to categorize your content so that Instagram has a better idea what the video is about. Another key thing to mention with this video is that even though it would fall under a growth content piece, it is still visually educational for beginner photographers, and that's what helped it get over 65,000 saves, which then again triggers the algorithm and lets Instagram know that this is valuable content. And from my memory, this video brought in around 15,000 new followers. So when thinking of growth content ideas, try to think of ways where you can still provide some type of value within the video, because this will help you actually convert some of those views into new followers. Because another problem I see beginner creators make is they focus so hard trying to go viral, so they do stuff like dancing or lip syncing, which yes can bring in views, but those views rarely convert into actual followers. So just remember that if you're wanting to build an engaged audience, you want to provide some type of value within all of your videos. And remember that value can be delivered in many different ways, but my 4 go-tos are education, inspiration, acceptance, and entertainment. Now, if you enjoyed that breakdown and want to see more videos like this, you can check out my free ebook that covers the blueprint to building, growing, and monetizing your personal brand. Inside of this free guide, I have more videos just like this where I break down some of my top performing videos. So if you want access to this guide, you can click the top link in the description below. I'll see you there.